Guess where I've been shopping, guys? Did you guess right? Put it in the comment section. Deb, what did I get? And where did I get it at?
Am I on film?
You're not in it, but you're going to hear you talk, I hope.
Well, let's see what if this gives us a clue.
What is it, guys? Clearance grab bag boxes. Yes, we finally found one of the Michael's things. I was at Annalise, wasn't I?
Yes. Two weeks ago, right?
Something like that. And she calls me up on the phone. Mom, they're having the grab bags at Michael. Can you go by and get them quick? When I walked in there, they had quite a few. When I got done, I got the last 5. So it isn't easy to grab them. You need to take a couple people to help you.
And I was working at the time, so I could not accompany her. So, and I guess they had went on sale like the day before or the morning of. I don't remember, but it was very shortly. I called them to ask them if they have any boxes left, and they said yes. So I called my mom immediately, and she ran over there. But as you said, you got the last 5. So
yeah.
Who knows if it started that morning or if it started the day before?
Well,
we were late.
when I walked in the building, you had to take them over to the register. That was the problem. These boxes are big. Even with a shopping cart, I couldn't take all 5. So there was quite a few when I started with my first bunch. But then when I went back to get the other ones, I got the last of what they had. And it wasn't quite as good as we have liked, but we're going to open them and show you what we got. We're not going to do what everybody else does. We don't want to drag this on for no half hour. It's 5 total boxes, and we're going to take everything out, lay it on this bed, and show you what we got for $25. And we're also going to be bad. We're not going to give you the total what we could have paid for it, because we're both tired. So we're doing it the quick way, but you guys might appreciate that we're not going to spend a half hour. It'll probably be a 10-minute video or 15 at the most, showing everything and explaining what we got. Okay, get your cup of tea, and we're going to start showing. Well, believe it or not, we had 21 bags of bows.
Too many.
Too many. Way too many. And I would never pay this much for the quality of these bows. Where's the price here? I can't get it. $4.99. I would say the quality of these bows may be worth $1. And that might be stretching it. They're not great quality.
Yeah, these are like Dollar Tree bows.
So I think they were way overpriced, and that's why they had so many. But we got 21.
21 bags. I don't know what we're going to do with it.
A yard sale.
Yeah, I don't need 21 bags of bows.
Correct.
And each bag has 24 of them.
Yeah.
So unless we can come up with some kind of craft that uses a lot of bows and it doesn't look crappy, then we may consider. But otherwise, they're going to have to go to somebody else.
Okay, this looks like a yard sale. The money from the yard sale we'll put through some other project of ours.
Possibly, yeah.
Maybe what we should do for everything we end up selling, we can put it into the next grab bag and see if we got some better deals.
Yeah, and hopefully we'll find out about the grab bags, when they first come out versus maybe
at the end.
Maybe at the end, because that's what I think. We didn't get in on it soon enough, and we got like the stuff picked over. Because I noticed that when you brought some of the boxes, like they were kind of open, like people were trying to see what was inside.
Yeah.
To decide which box they wanted to choose. So
they
left all the.
Well, I don't want to make it sound like we didn't get some good buys. The bows was not one of them.
Well, compared to what everybody else was showing on YouTube on their boxes, yeah. I would say that we got the
worst,
the poor pick of the litter.
But no, there was some nice things. We're going to show you some nicer things, but we wanted to show you the depressing part first. Now, these were some of the good things that we got, and this made it really worth buying the boxes for. We have 2 of these? Yeah, we have 2 of these. And originally they sold for $18.99 each.
I would have never
Oh,
paid.
never mind, $12.99, because that was the Canada.
Oh.
It was $12.99, but even $12.99.
I don't know that I would have spent $12.99 for that, but that's just me.
Well, just the 2 boxes almost paid for.
Yeah.
The whole 5 boxes that we bought. This one here was $12.99.
I think they're all $12.99, aren't they? They're either $12.99.
No, they're different.
They're all different.
They're all different. So this is $12.99 also. And this is a tree that she'll have to put together. And it looks like you make a display and hang it on the wall.
Mm-hmm.
Then this was super cute. I did like this one, the gnomes. And this was $9.99, and we got 2 of them. And
No, you got 3 of them.
oh, take it back. We got 3 of them. So right there was $30 if we bought those. Of course, we never would have bought 3 anyway. And then we got one of the Santa Clauses, super cute.
Yeah.
That was $7.99. And then we got 2 of these, and I thought this might be a really good thing. We could put them both together instead of making it short, make it long. And they originally were $7.99. It'd be $8. And we got 2 of them, so you could make a pretty good decor thing for
Garland, yeah.
garland. Hang on, another one of our favorite ones, right, Debbie?
Yeah, that one's super cute. And I was telling my mom that just because the picture shows it one way, we can always embellish it and you know, make it more upscale. So, you know, we got some options.
And I think we got a lot of nice things that we can do a lot of Christmas decorating next year and not spend too much money. Maybe some of these could go on the mantle.
Yeah. And my thought too was, oh well, never mind.
We don't want to give them our
I'll give you a thought later.
And this one sold for $14.99. And then this is a skirt to go around the tree, and it might be cute in your little dining room.
In the smaller tree, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
And-
it's upside down.
Oh, it's hard for me to read upside down, isn't it?
Oh, is it?
No, you had it right. It's $7.99, so it's not too bad. So a lot of the things we can use and we will use. I think the skirt looks cute, don't you?
Yeah, I'm just wondering if is it a mini skirt? It doesn't say how big it is.
I don't think it's probably that big.
But it might be perfect for the smaller tree in the dining room.
And you know what else I have? I have a really nice skirt that I bought from Annalie that's red. We could even put that underneath it and put that one on top.
Oh, okay.
If we need more, that would be nice too.
Yeah. So these are all of our little kits, and you know, we can do, you know, quite a few for next year. So now the thing is how to store all this until then.
That may be an issue. But you know, another thing, well, I'll tell you in a second when we get over to those items, but I think all of these craft things here, I think we'll use, and we probably will, you know, show them on camera and maybe show them on the new channel about doing DIYs and stuff. Don't you think?
Yeah. And again, you know, it doesn't necessarily have to turn out the way the picture shows.
Correct.
We can, you know, use other things to embellish it, change it up a little bit, especially when, like this one, we've got 3 of the same, so we don't want 3 of the same looking, so we'll have to change it up a little bit. But it's possible. So,
but you know, it could be really cute on the mantle of your fireplace, and then you could still put 2 of the other ones, 1 in each nook. So you could have place for all 3 of them.
yeah, I could. But
And then I thought these were really nice quality. These are little metal boxes, and we could fill them up with baked goods and give them away for Christmas gifts.
yeah, so we got 4 of these, and they were $5.99.
I wouldn't pay that much either. But
Look at how pretty.
they are very pretty.
And they're kind of like raised.
Embossed.
Yeah, embossed. You can feel it. I don't know if you can see it, but
Yeah.
it's nice. And it's, you know, it's the gingerbread color look. So I'm excited about that. I know I'm going to do a gingerbread theme display. So we'll use it in that too.
So I think that worked out great. So we got 4 of those. Now let's go to the pine cones. Another big project we got. Now there is no way we're going to be able to use, how many, 39?
36.
36 of these pine cone bags. They originally sold for $5 each. That's what it says. I'm not that we can't use pine cones, because I do a lot of miniature gardening, but I don't know if I can do 36 worth of pine cones.
Yeah, I mean, some of them are a little different. Like you see this one, it's got your browns and your whites, and then this one has some greens and maroon and white. I think those are the only 2 different ones, right?
No, they got a couple other ones, different colors, and some of them have been painted white.
Some has a bunch of glitter on it.
And you know, we all love glitter over here.
I've got so much glitter in my carpet that I'm like, I'm so over glitter right now.
I'm not a glitter person. I really am not.
So I would say that at least half of these have got to be sold at a yard sale or something, because we don't need this many.
No way.
And if I use this mini in a decor, it's gonna look overwhelming. So I'm gonna say we're gonna have to get rid of some of these.
I'd say 50%.
Yeah, definitely. At least 50, if not more.
So 50% of these will probably sell, and the money that we get from it, we will go for next thing we can get. Now these are pretty nice, and I think we'll use more of these. A little more variety.
I don't think I want to get rid of these ones. These are kind of cute, and they have that smell. So I'm gonna put them in a Ziploc bag right now.
Oh, that smells good to me.
No, I'm saying it's cinnamon, and I
Yeah.
want to keep the smell.
Okay.
So if I don't put it in something to
It'll go
keep
away.
the smell, it'll go away. Yeah, but I do like these. So these ones we can keep, and then we only have 3 of them. So
Yeah, I think 3 will be fine. Maybe I'll pour a bunch more cinnamon on top, and put them in a little dish in the bathroom, and put one in the dining room, and that will give the house a nice Christmas smell, don't you think?
yeah.
So we easily could use 3. In fact, I wouldn't have minded if we'd had
I
10
know.
of these.
I wish we would have had more of these than the other ones, but
Because we could have used them in both our homes, in the bathrooms, because you got 2 bathrooms here. I got 2 at my house. That's 4 bags right there.
what I like about them is because they're not all coated with glitter. There's like one in here that has glitter, but the most of them they don't. So
Yeah, I like the more natural myself too.
yeah. All right, so let's stop and
Move
see
on to
what's
the
next.